Hey guys, thank you for joining us today over here at Wonder Off-Road. And today we're going to bring you some more vendors from Overland Expo West. So I hope you enjoy.
Hey, good morning. I'm John Lacey with Rome Rest, and we are here at the Expo in Flagstaff in 2026. There's a lot of people here, and we brought all of our products that we make for the overland industry. You can see we make them for tent tops, pop tops, vans, Jeeps, tents, a lot of different things that are here to show the magic that we produce, and that is different layers in a mattress really help provide a comfortable. So to get a good night's sleep when you're out camping, you really want something that is going to help you be able to rejuvenate and be able to not have your arms, your shoulders go to sleep. And the only way to do that is have something that's comfortable and have something that's low profile that you can take with you, and it's not going to be bulky. And that's one of the things that we can do. We can custom size these to fit anything in the back of a Grenadier, the back of a Jeep or a Bronco. We have a lot of these things, as you can see in our booth, that are just set up for being able to go and have and enjoy yourself. You can find all of our products listed on romerest.com, and we'd love to meet you on the road. Come to the expos. We're going to be at a lot of the different adventure van expos and the van expos. Come and see us.
What's going on, everyone? This is Chris with Seasucker. We're at the beautiful Overland Expo, and wanted to show you guys some awesome vacuum mounted accessories for overlanding, camping, off-roading. We make everything from hooks to bike racks, whole kitchen setups, you know, anything to make your outdoor adventure a little bit easier and non-permanent. So all of our stuff is a non-permanent solution. Everything from marine products to molly panels to cup holders, Starlink mini mounts, you name it, we got it for you guys. We're in some Academy stores, we're in some Bass Pros, but everything you can find at seasucker.com.
Hey y'all, Julian here with Hipcamp, the #1 app to find and book campsites. We're here at Overland Expo Flagstaff. Hipcamp is available in the App Store and Google Play Store for free. We have no subscriptions, we have no membership fees. It is totally free to use the app. Once you are actually in the app, you can see all of the public campgrounds across the country. We have Bureau of Land Management map layers. We have U.S. Forest Service map layers. Connectivity map layers, and then the most magical part of Hipcamp are the 120,000 private land campsites that you cannot find anywhere else. So we have these really magical ranches, farms, breweries, wineries that you can go post up on, usually by yourself, usually if nobody around you. It's a really great time. Check us out in the App Store. Hipcamp, Hipcamp.
Hey guys, I'm Brian with Goose Gear. We're here at Overland Expo West 2026 and just want to give you a quick rundown of some of the stuff we do. We specialize in drawer systems, sleeping platforms, all that kind of stuff. And we cover Jeeps, 4Runners, Land Cruisers, Ineos Grenadier, just a whole slew of vehicles. We make camp kitchens so you can slide out a stove and a fridge and all that kind of stuff. And if you're not here, you can come check us out on our website at goose-gear.com or on Instagram at Goose Gear. But yeah, we just do all kinds of stuff for all kinds of vehicles so you can get outside, go play, and have a good time.
Hello, my name is Mason Yeager. I'm here with Atlas Powerlifts. We're based out of El Segundo, California. We currently invented this e-bike rack 1 solution system for lifting heavy e-bikes to the back of your car. All you have to do is undo the safety hitch and simply press down on the remote, and our system automatically drops the bikes down. Once it hits the bottom, we can disconnect, and when it does that, you're able to move this tray, this rack as we like to say, into your garage. So now this lives in your garage, you load up stuff inside, you're never loading stuff off the back of your car, and you're never lifting your heavy bikes again. Putting it on is easy, taking it off, you just wheel it right up. You know, the wheels are a little tough on this dirt, but at the end of the day, it kind of does work out fun. All you gotta do is come it over, lift it up, and that linear lock will hit, and once it engages, you'll know you're at the top. So this is, again, our e-bike 1 rack. We're Atlas Powerlifts. You can go to atlaspowerlifts.com and pre-order. We are starting our production units this summer, and we'll be out in the market by the end of August.
Hey, it's Don with Liquid Spring. I'm out here at the Overland Expo West showing off our Liquid Spring Smart Suspension. So Liquid Spring is a smart computer-based suspension. We use a proprietary silicone compressible oil. We're going to read speed, steering, braking, ride height, and there's an accelerometer. We're going to read all those inputs 1,000 times a second, and we can adjust the spring rate at each corner in 40 milliseconds. So it's a full suspension upgrade. We're gonna remove the leaf springs, any coils, shocks. We're gonna remove all of that and replace it with our full suspension system. So makes these trucks ride really, really good when you're off grid, riding the trails, or even on highway. So you can find us at liquidspring.com or on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok at Liquid Spring.
Hey, I'm John Lavelle, the product manager at Cobra Electronics, showing off our GMRS radios at Overland Expo West. We've got our Trailblazer line of GMRS radios, the 250, 450, and 500. They're great for getting out on the road, getting on an adventure. Got all of our accessories out here today at the show to get you set in your car, hit your overland adventures. And you know Cobra, we're been in business for 70 years, making CB radios, marine radios, radar detectors, and we have everything you need. So come on by, check us out, or go to cobra.com.
Hey guys, this is Alan here from Sandy Vans and Solid Woodworks here at Overland West, and just checking out the latest what we have to offer. So a couple products here for you today. One is a drawer kit system. So this goes into the back of a 4Runner 5th gen, and now the 6th gen just released, as well as the Grenadier or Bronco and a few other models that we have. So here displaying our drawer system at Overland West, as well as Sandy Vans. So Sandy Vans builds out full custom camper conversions on the Mercedes Sprinter. Also a full exterior product line. So check us out. If you're not able to make it to the show, you can always see our products and our services online at sandyvans.com and solidwoodworks.com. All right, thanks for checking it out.
How's it going, y'all? My name is Jack. I'm here with Packfire. Here we have the Ember. This is our smallest Packfire we have so far. You can find it at packfire.com. It is a 3-piece component, the same as our larger one. Just like that, all said and done. Smokeless, wood-fired, super portable, super lightweight, and yeah, packfire.com.
Hi, I'm Claire with Deepsleep Overland. We make different sleeping systems for the back of your SUVs, truck beds, rooftop tents, cots, tents, wherever you sleep. Basically, we got is different mats to sleep in. They're 5 inches thick. It's a air foam combo, offering a lot more comfort. They self-inflate. There's no pump needed. They do come with a deflation device so that you can suck out all the air, get it nice and compact, easy to roll up. So this is our sleep system for the 5th gen 4Runner. They're contoured for the wheel well and everything. We also sell leveling mats for some vehicles that require more of an even surface. And we also sell all different car camping accessories, fans, window screens, lights, whatever you need. So you can find us on deepsleepoverland.com.
Hi, my name is Garrett Pitman and I work for Pitman Outdoors. Today's product, we have our inflatable sets. Right here is the chair, the other is the couch, and the other is the ottoman. All 3 of these come in a set, and if you want to buy these individually, you can. Back here, we actually have our own self-inflating pump, which you can take out and use it for the top one up here. That goes in there, put it back in. Over here, we have our chairs, our heated chairs, with all different types of settings that you feel comfortable using. And if we walk over here, we have our own air mattresses that go in the back of a pickup truck, whatever size that you need. Where can we find that? And we can find it at pitmanoutdoors.com.
Hi, I'm Spencer with Devos, and sorry, what was the name?
Your name, company name, product,
and then where to find it. Okay, restart.
All right, and 3, 2.
Hi, I'm Spencer from Devos, and today we're just going to do a quick overview of some of our newest products. For the overlanding market, our Light Ranger 2000 is our most popular product, and what makes it unique is that the light telescopes up 10 feet tall, but it's got the colors built right into it. Amber, because it's more of that campfire vibe and you get less insects attracted to the light. And then red maintains your night vision, perfect for dark sky areas, gives you just that nice ambient light where you can maintain that night vision. Our newest light is this Light Ranger 500. This is a cool light for being inside the tent. So you've got your 2000 for like your campsite area light, And then the 500 is a perfect tent light. You've got white, amber, and red, so very similar concept to the 2000. And then you hit the middle button and now you've got a little close proximity motion sensor. So if this guy is clipped up in the top of your rooftop tent or in your camper, you have it up above you, you just give it a little wave, give it a tap, and so now you have that light when you need it. If you wake up in the middle of the night, you don't have to be fumbling even for the button. So great new little light for inside of the tent, and then we still got our awesome area lights for the campsite or work site or wherever you need overhead light at night. You can find us at devosoutdoor.com.
Hey everyone, Rob from Overland Gear Guy. We do custom bags of any kind, and we have been manufacturing in the USA for 35 years, over 35 years. Lifetime warranty on everything, and we do a lot of custom stuff. Check us out, overlandgearguy.com.